Yo, what up YouTube? It's Wednesday, March 25th. AJ coming at you. We're did a little more fine tuning on that Dillon reloader. We got 40 rounds here at the range with Steve-O. Here's the rounds. He brought his 40. I got my 40. Steve-O's got the Smith & Wesson. I got this Ruger. So we're gonna see if our reloads work in each one of our guns, and that's that. Here we go. Hit it up, Steve-O. Nice shot. Sweet, there you fellas go. No hitches. Seemed to work like mad. Smith & Wesson right there came through. Ammo junkie for life. Peace out, YouTube.